This, so here, maybe I'll let you take your notes first and we'll walk over there. This one is very unusual.
Yes.
Because you see here this, you see this half-inch seam allowance here, and you see the end of, where does the end of the dart go?
Oh, 1/2 past the drill hole.
Correct, yeah. This is just your punch hole, your drill hole. But I would chalk it. I saw some people drilling a hole in their chiffon.
Is that recommended or no?
I think you will probably see it in industry, but chiffon will just close back up. I would chalk it. I would chalk this. I would even stab a pin in it.
I usually
Right?
do.
Yeah,
So.
but I would chalk it. Maybe in finer, like designer and up, you'll see a chalk. But yeah, people will drill a hole that. Yep.
Because theoretically it's going to be covered.
It's covered, I know, but you are ruining the chiffon.
Yeah.
Okay, this one is very weird, so I'm going to talk about this first, and then we're going to go over there and I'll show
This
you.
is a French dart, right?
This is called a French dart.
French dart.
So the first thing you're going to do, if this was the right side facing up, you're going to do wrong sides touching, and you're going to sew only this edge at 1/4 of an inch, and you're going to fade out. So you're only sewing this opened edge at 1/4 of an inch. I know, this one gets really weird.
What edges?
Say that again. Wrong. I know, this one is really weird. Okay, so let's pretend, you see I've got writing, so clearly this is my right side. This would be the wrong side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have this right sides pointing up, which means, what am I doing? I'm bringing the wrong sides of the dart legs together. Only the dart legs. I'm not doing, you guys know how to do a proper dart where you end 1/2 inch past the punch hole. You know that. So this is why students get confused on this one, because we're doing something strange here. We're only sewing the dart legs at 1/4 of an inch, and we're fading out 1/4 of an inch. And I'll show you that here in a second. This is really odd. Go to the iron, kick it over to one side.
Okay.
Now you'll do right sides touching, match up your notches. You need these notches because you had just taken away seam allowance from doing this first part, right? So if you didn't draw these notches, you're not going to know where to go from here to the end of your dart. Now where does the end of your dart go? 1/2 an inch past your drill hole. So this dart will go from these 2 notches up to 1/2 inch past your drill hole. Let me show you what that looks like. But this one is